Alright, today we're going to be doing an oil change on my 2000 Outback wagon. We're about that 5,000 kilometer range, and I use a semi-synthetic blend. I don't use full synthetics on this car because it doesn't really deserve it for where it's at. It's got 315,000 kilometers on it, so without any further, let's get it up on the ramps and change the oil. So for the Outback, you need a 17 millimeter wrench, some sort of pan to catch the fluid, a pair of gloves, and maybe so the oil's already warm. I took the car for the day, came back, and just been sitting for about 15-20 minutes on the ramps. Seems like I'm a little low on oil, but this is getting to be a higher mileage vehicle, and it is using a little bit of oil at least, and maybe even some coolant. So there's your oil filter there. I do have a bit of a power steering leak, or I did. I don't know if it's fixed or not, but yeah, so to get that filter off, it's pretty simple. Just grab it, give it a twist. I'm gonna wait till the fluids are done dripping, and then I can move the pan. Tighten this back up. Gotta make sure it's good and tight. Not too tight, but tight enough that it's not going to come loose and start to leak your fluid out. The last thing you want to do is be running down the highway and have all your fluid come out. Oil filter to come out, and I believe an access hole for the drain pan as well, but I just took it all off when I was doing the head gaskets and timing belt and all that stuff, because it just makes no sense to have it on. So, well, it makes sense, but not for me. With this car, I'm not too picky about many things. Alright. So to make sure you get a little oil on the seal before sealing it. I mean, there's already oil up on the drain plug, but just to be sure that it seals properly. For refilling it, locate your vehicle's oil fill. You can use a funnel if you're not comfortable with the other. Usually I just free pour it in, but for demonstration purposes I'll use the funnel. At this time you'd probably add the Marvel Mystery Oil or something in if you use that. I generally do, but I forgot to grab some while I was at the store today, so we'll just go straight oil for now. Top it up with some Marvel after. So you put your car on flat ground, maybe start it up, warm up the oil, let it go through, and then let it settle, and then check your dipstick, wipe it off, put it back in the dipstick tube, pull it out, and make sure that you are registering between the low and the full. And when you're there, you're done, and you saved yourself a bunch of money.